Okay, wait, I can't be having that because I'm really not into country music. Okay, so what did we learn today about, okay, this one. What is the rule of, what's it called? Oh, all right, we'll do the seatbelt. It has to go on before we leave the parking lot. He says parking lot rule. No.
Parking lot exemption.
But it's
Still
not.
in the parking lot.
It does not count.
On
The
the road,
seatbelt needs to be on before you leave, before you drive away. What will the people say? They will agree with me. They will. They'll agree with me. Oh, listen to your voice. Anyways, so
Silly.
let us know.
Silly Shel.
Let us know when is the right time to put on the seatbelt. And we know it is not when we hear the beep, 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 beep that drives me up that freaking wall.
Because that happens too soon. They didn't give you a chance to put it on.
That's because it's supposed to be on before you even, like, you put the car in, the seatbelt, put the key in, seatbelt on. Woo! Woo! See my handsome man over there?
No, but it